Astronomy, Stars and Its Cycle by Anshul, Mago. Have you ever wondered how stars first appeared? Or how they turned into majestic black holes? This is all because of nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion happens when two small atoms join to make a larger atom. This creates intense amounts of energy. For example, two hydrogen atoms crashing into each other would create energy along with a helium atom. This process repeats until the star tries to fuse iron. When the star tries to fuse iron, it expands immensely and reaches its end. Now that you learned the basics of nuclear fusion, let's move on to the three types of star cycles: low mass star cycle, medium mass star cycle, and massive star cycle. The low mass star starts as a protostar just like any other star. A protostar is a toddler star. It has clumps of gas and dust surrounding it, which is going to form planets soon. Next, the protostar will become a red dwarf, then a blue dwarf, then a white dwarf. The reason the stars change color is because the stars rise and fall in temperature. Now the star starts to dim and soon will turn into a black dwarf. The black dwarf is where the low mass star cycle ends. Now let's move on to the medium mass star cycle. An example of a medium mass star is the Sun. Medium mass star starts as a protostar. Then the star moves straight to the main sequence star. This is the stage where the Sun is in right now. The star keeps on expanding until it reaches the red giant phase. Red giants form when there is no more hydrogen to fuse and the star tries to fuse other elements such as carbon and silicon. This type of star could even swallow up the Earth. Soon, when the star tries to fuse iron, the outer shells expand and the star starts to explode. When the star fully explodes, it becomes a planetary nebula. This nebula can be a birthplace of another star. In the center lies a white dwarf. This is where the medium mass star ends. Great, let's move on to the massive star cycle. The massive star starts as a protostar and works its way to the main sequence star. It is very big. Next comes the red supergiant. It can be thousands of times bigger than the Sun. Red giants only form when there is no hydrogen in the star and it starts to fuse other atoms. Next comes a supernova. A supernova is when the super red giant explodes. This is one of the brightest things in the universe. If the remaining mass of the core is between 1.4 and 3 times the mass of the Sun, it will become a neutron star. A neutron star is one of the densest things in the universe. A soccer ball would be as heavy as Mount Everest. A neutron star is about the size of a city and has an extremely powerful magnetic field. Examples of neutron stars are magnetars and pulsars. Remaining core is 3 times or more massive as the Sun. It will become a black hole. This has infinite density. Nothing can escape a black hole, not even light. There are 3 different places in a black hole: the horizon, the singularity, and the lens. Yay, you are now a star expert.